Now we will learn to use constraints. Constraints are a set of rules that sketch geometry must follow, such as forcing the radius of all the circles to be equal or making two lines parallel. Constraints in next to rapid dimensions. The first constraint that we're going to use is fixed. We select the fixed constraint, then we select a point. Now, as you can see here, there is a blue constraint over here, which is the fixed constraint. Now we will use a coinciding constraint. It is used to place a vertex, for example, a circle, center, or endpoint of a line onto another vertex. We click this one, and then we select one point, and then go and select the other point. You have to go back on Geometry to Constraint and click the other Select Object to Constraint to, and then click the second point. This is really important. Otherwise, if you click one time and then click another time, you will be doing Select Object to Constraint twice. So it's really important that once you select a point or a line, you go back and change the Select Object to Constraint to. Another common constraints are the horizontal and the vertical constraint. If you have two lines, for example, you go to Constraint, then you select Horizontal, and then you select the line that you want to be horizontal. And now you have a horizontal line. With vertical line, you select the vertical constraint, and then select the line. And now you have a vertical constraint. These are really basic constraints. Now we will use a point and a curve constraint. It constrains a point to be an infinite extension of a curve. So you get to Constraints, then select the point on a curve, select the line, and then remember to go back to Geometry to Constraint and select the point. Now we will use the collinear constraint. The collinear constraint aligns two or more lines with each other. We select the first line, then go to Geometry Constraint to select the other line, then select this line which is already constrained, then the second one, this line, and then the second one. Now they are all collinear. We're going to use now the tangent constraint, which is this one. It applies a tangency condition to the selected curves, which is a line and an arc. We select the line, then remember to go back to the Geometry to Constraint, and then we select the curve. Or you can select first the curve and then the line. Now if you see, it creates that tangent curve. We did the same with the other ones. And also this side. We apply also the tangent constraint to this line and to this curve. Once you are done, you click Finish Sketch, and now you can see all the tangent constraints that we applied.
Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.